Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, The Equity Trader. Today is 3rd of February and we are doing another live trading video. So I have an important announcement to make. Next week onwards I may not be available for live trading the whole day. I'll still be doing intraday trading, but I'll be setting up my uh, stop loss and my targets beforehand, and I may be on the move because I have some other work that I also manage, so I may not be available to do these videos post 11:30 12 p.m. So essentially I just wanted some recommendation from you guys. How do you want the videos to, the format that the videos should follow next week? Because I can either do a full analysis video at the end of the day after I'm back home, which could have all the trades that I have taken today, the explaining the reason and the logic behind my entries and exits. Or the other way I can do is I can shoot a live video till 11 and then post the end of day and then combine it with end of day update. So it will be like like a hybrid format. So do drop in on the comment section below what kind of a format would you prefer, a one shot video at the end of the day or a hybrid of live plus analysis video. So guys, I've taken up my first trade for the day. This one is in ESCORTS. So the logic behind this trade is that it opened gap up, even though I like to trade bigger gaps, which is in the tune of about 2 to 3%. This one was around 1.5% only. It went up, and the sellers took over. So like you can see, the low was broken again. It tried going up again, but it was facing resistance from the breakout levels, so I shorted it after this candle was formed. So I got it at slightly lower price. So like I discussed in the video yesterday, my risk reward ratio is this time not based on RR, but instead I have based it on this particular support region. So I'm hoping that this is where it can possibly take some support. So this is exactly where I have placed my target. So I'll update you. Right now it is in slight profits. I'll update you whenever it hits my target or the stop loss. So guys, Escorts has taken its support from yesterday's high and the 20 EMA on 3-minute time frame and 10 EMA on 5-minute time frame. So right now it's not looking too good. I'm just monitoring this trade closely, and if it does give me a close above this 1870 region with a strong bullish candle, I may just exit it manually. My hard stop loss is right now still placed at the original position. So guys, as you can see, this one is showing signs of reversal. It may just hit my stop loss automatically. I was waiting for the candle to close and give me a clear indication, but yeah, so my stop loss is hit on my first trade. So I have taken up another trade. This one is on ZEEL. The reason, like you can see, is it opened gap down, went up, took rejection from 20 EMA on 3-minute time frame, and kind of formed a contraction pattern here. If you see, like a small little triangle pattern, took rejection, breakdown. And so the only caveat here is it may give a small retrace and then continue its downward journey. And again, my stop loss is placed right above this swing high, so if it will go there, I'll probably close my trading day for today. Right now it's very close to cost. After giving immediate profit, it has gone back to cost. So guys, ZEEL is showing an upward direction rally after giving a breakdown, and it gave this particular hammer kind of a candle. It's not exactly a hammer because there's a small wick at the top, but ever since it has been given breaking highs of the previous candles. So this particular candle is going to be very important because it'll be a rejection from 20 EMA on 3-minute time frame, and it'll be a rejection from 10 EMA in the 5-minute time frame, as well as a rejection from this small trend line. If it gives the breakout, then the probability of my trade is going to go down, and I'll have to think of maybe exiting manually. I'll see depending on the price action. Right now there is because the volumes have been pretty low, I don't see any reason to exit, because this could just be a shakeout before continuation. So I'm just going to wait. So guys, ZEEL is also not showing a steady momentum in the direction I would have wanted. It has been consolidating ever since I've entered the trade in this particular region. So like as you can see, this is where I took my entry, and so far it has been in this price range. The chances are whichever side it breaks up or breaks down on, it's going to continue in that direction. So if it does give me a proper close above this particular box or region, I am going to manually exit the trade. If it gives a breakdown on the downside, I'm going to wait for the target. So guys, another really good trade caught my eye. However, I haven't taken it purely because of risk management, because I'm already running in losses, and uh, 400 is my maximum risk appetite per day. So, but look at this structure. It was the support. Now, ever since it has been taking support 1, 2, 3, 4, the support has gotten weaker for sure, and it has stopped creating new higher highs. It's like forming like a head and shoulder pattern also here. And if you go down in the smaller time frame, it has given a lovely breakdown here with volumes. So it's most likely going to go further low. But again, I'll update you if whatever happens with this trade, even though I haven't taken it. This is how ZEEL is looking. If this one does give a close above this, I'm going to manually close the trade. Hi guys, so last update for today. I have exited my trade on ZEEL because there was a little bit of volume expansion along with the breakout of this particular range. So, and it almost touched the stop loss. So I exited close to this particular level when the candle closed. So as you can see, I'm ending the day with 309 rupees loss. And just to give an update on what's happening with the other trades, again, this is not something which is very professional. Like professional traders don't typically look after the what happened with their trades, but since we are still in learning stage, we should always analyze where we went wrong so that we can draw some learnings and use it for the other for the future trades. So if you see, I got trapped here in SL hunting. It hit the SL, and ever since it has been on the downtrend. It may form a range here and then carry on further to move towards my target. Again, do check it at 6 p.m. whenever I release this video to see how the stock has performed at that particular time. And moving on to the other trade, which is SBI Life, which I talked to you about. It is still consolidating after a heavy breakdown. So let's see if it is able to go further down and give these target levels. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did enjoy the content, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. If you have any feedback, any thoughts, do mention it in the comment section below. Thank you. See you tomorrow.